Stop by and take a look at the 2010 XD. The squared-off Scion XD hatchback is one of the most distinctive-looking economy cars around. In government crash tests, the 2010 XD earns a perfect 5 stars in side crashes and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover resistance tests. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, equalizer, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, steel wheels, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.